Her husband doesn't pay a dime for her. Well, if you are offering charity, I don't think you're a charity organization. This is not in accordance to the requirements of marriage. In marriage, it's the man's duty to provide everything for his wife. I'm not talking about buying her bags from Louis Vuitton or shoes from Prada. No, I'm talking about the norm. So providing the food, the shelter, the medical expenses. This is his duty. Now, if she is being offered a housing or an apartment from her work and he comes and visits, he should give her what's equivalent to the rent in exchange for that, not to get, to utilize all what she's getting and having this marriage freebie. No, any man would wish to have a woman who's beautiful and is rich and providing everything for him. He doesn't have to pay a dime. But this is un-Islamic. This is not right. So it's your mistake, with all due respect, Heidi, that you are allowing this. How to communicate with him? Make him man up. Tell him in Islam, a man does not allow a woman to provide for him. It's my duty. It goes against my manhood to just sit there and the wife works and she pays for my car, she pays for my food, she pays for my rent. What is this? This is not a charity organization. So it's your mistake. You have to draw the line and consider, is he the right person to marry or not? And Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. Nadeem.